I'm the worst, so I always act like I'm the best. If you are not